Hi guys! Today we'll be making Ginataang Santol. Santol, also known as cotton fruit, is then cooked with coconut cream. That's why we have come up with Peppercorn. This is so easy to prepare, you only need a few items. Syempre, santol meat, garlic, onion, peppercorn, strainer, sardines, or kahit na anong fish. Lastly, coconut milk. I have been told na kailangan siyang pigaan ng 3 beses pagkatapos banlawan sa tubig upang mabawasan ng asim at alat. Since itong santol ay binabad sa brine or salted water pagkagadgad for preservation. Ngayon, i-ready na natin ang ating kaldero. Let us combine all the ingredients: chopped onion, minced garlic, peppercorn, sardines, and lastly, ang magbibigay sa atin ng yummy factor, coconut cream. Pakuluin over medium heat at mapapansin mo unti-unti na siyang matutoy. Siguro mga after 20, 30, 40 minutes. Depende kung gaano kalakas yung apoy mo. Pwede mo rin siyang lagyan ng konting gulay kung gusto mo, basta hindi lang mag-overpower yung lasa nito. At kahit di mo na siya takpan ay okay lang. Yung iba, medyo gusto nagtututong na siya bago nila patayin yung apoy, pero may ilan din namang mas prefer na medyo masabaw pa. And finally, ito na ating finished product. Pwede pa nga itong dagdagan ng sili, pero contento na ako sa nag-aagaw nitong asin at alat. For those who may ask what santol or cotton fruit looks like, here it is. It can be found in tropical countries like Philippines, Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, etc. kung saan medyo mainit ang klima. The santol I used to make this dish was already minced. So much effort has been made sa pag-mince ng santol na ito gamit ang pangkayod ng nyog. Kaya maraming salamat po kay Mama Merly. So there you go, that's the Peppercorn recipe. Thanks for watching!